Have you ever felt like the universe has forgotten you? Like you're stuck, exhausted, waiting for someone to come and rescue you? But no matter how long you wait, no one shows up. The truth is both simple and powerful. The universe is not sending anyone else. It's sending you. The only one who can save you is the stronger version of yourself that's waiting to rise when you're tired of who you are today. The universe has a mysterious way of working. Sometimes it won't protect you from breaking down. Instead, it allows you to reach that lowest point, not to punish you, but to awaken the version of you that can only exist through struggle. When you feel broken, lost, or defeated, remember, the universe isn't abandoning you. It's whispering to you. It's saying, it's time for a new you. Psychologists call this idea possible selves. It means that within you lives countless versions of who you can become. And the universe often reveals the strongest one when you feel like you can't go on any longer. So when you're exhausted, when you've had enough of your old story, that's when the universe pushes you to meet the version of yourself that will save you. Here's how you can hear that call more clearly. Step 1. Write down what you feel right now. Don't hide. Be raw. Example: I feel like I'm wasting my life. Step 2. Ask, what story am I believing? Maybe it's, I can't change. I always give up. Step 3. Rewrite that story with compassion. Example: yes, I've given up before, but I've also stood up again. Failure doesn't define me, it prepares me. Step 4. Imagine the future you, the one the universe is guiding you to. What would that version say? Maybe, I'm here because you were brave enough not to abandon yourself. Step 5. Take one small action right now. Drink water. Stand up. Write one sentence. Clear your desk. The universe doesn't demand perfection. It only asks for movement. You see, the universe doesn't hand you a savior from the outside. It awakens the savior within you. That savior is the you who refuses to give up. The you who knows pain isn't the end, but the beginning of transformation. So if you're listening right now and feel like you've reached the end, please understand, this isn't your ending. This is the universe calling forth your rebirth. And the savior you've been waiting for, it's not someone else. It's you. If this message touched you, give this video a like, subscribe to evolve your motivation, and share it with someone who might need to hear the universe's whisper today. Remember, the universe has already chosen. The one who saves you is you.